Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews with another quick tip. I had a few people who asked me a question, which was, could you please um, make a video on how I stripped down my blogger from so I could kind of match more. So basically, they wanted to see how I could strip down a site just like this one and to be able to make it match whatever site you have. So before we work on the strip down part of it, let's talk about how you can make the background colors more match whatever you have. So let's say, for example, I have a site such as this one right here. And I wanted to make sure that this background was what I wanted, but I don't know what color the background is. Well, I have a little app here that I downloaded. Now, this is on my Mac, but I'm sure you could find something similar for the PC, and it's a color picker. And the way this color picker works, and you could use just about any color picker. As a matter of fact, you could probably use the paint from Windows to do this. But as long as you have this little magnifying glass just like this, click on the magnifying glass, hover over whatever you need here, and like right here it says this color is 7F, 7F, 7F. You can even click on it and it will save it for you. So I can click and drag it over so that I could have it for future reference. Now, how do I find this in Blogger? Well, to do that, you go to the Blogger, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on your blog, and let me go back to Blogger here so I can show you how I got to this area. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Customize. So you're going to go to your blogs, and if I went to all my blogs, this is a listing of all my blogs. And you're going to go to your blog, whatever blog that you're trying to change. Well, let me go back because I want to change the one that I was changing. And we're going to go to Template, and then in Template, you'll see Customize. Once you customize it, you can go to the background here and change this color. So just go to background. This is the background you have now. And we can add pictures or anything like that. But what we want to do is actually change the coloring. So here's all your colors. And you see, this is changing this background color right here. You see how that works? Okay. So to get advanced into it and to use the actual digits that we have from the color picker, you want to go to the background within here. So we're going to go to the post background, gadget background, let's see, slider background, footer, let's see, tabs background. We could probably use this one. Let's go to the tabs background, and we said that it was 7F, 7F, 7F. So 7F, 7F, 7F. Press enter, and now we have this background right here. Let's see what else. Let's try 7F, 7F, 7F. Enter, and let's try here the border color 7F, 7F, 7F. Enter, and now we have something kind of more resembling this site right here. The background right there. So of course you could play around a little bit more with that and really see what you can do. Now, if you want to strip down, for example, one of the things that people have trouble with is, let me apply this to the blog and then view the blog. One of the biggest troubles we have is trying to get rid of this top. Now, it's kind of hidden, but you can really, with this help here, you can find it and fix it. So basically, instead of going to templates here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your layout, and here's the nav bar right here. That's just this top right here. Now, to make your blog look very professional, you want to erase that. So we're going to go to edit, and here are all the nav bars, and you want to turn that off. Save that, and now when we save the arrangement here and refresh, that nav bar is gone. Okay, so now let's say you wanted to just have a blank, just like I explained on my last blog about Zara. You want to have a blank background so that you can integrate it into your Zara web design. So what you want to do is you want to go back to template, go to customize, and you want to pick the simple, and you want to do here the simple blank, just like that. Okay, now without that tab at the top and with that simple blank, you're pretty much there. So now when we apply that to the blog and go back to our blog and refresh, as you can see, we have a blank blog here. And it looks like I have to go back and since I changed my template, I have to go back and erase or change the layout here. So we're going to go back here, erase this layout, save it, and then refresh, and this is what you'll see. So once you integrate it using this site here and putting it in an iFrame the way I did in my last video, which will be linked right here, you can go ahead and, you know, integrate it to your site. Once again, this is Roberto Matthews with a quick tip. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to make a video as fast as I can for you. Have a wonderful day.